Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be a Real Appeal number 2 unboxing. It's the second box I've ever gotten from my coach this whole year that I've been on this Real Appeal journey. This is actually what your coach will ship you after you've done 8 sessions, I believe, if I'm incorrect. Oh, I annotated? If you've missed my first video, I'll go ahead and link it up in the cards. If you've not made it to your 8th session, guess what? I'm ruining the surprise. Your coach is going to send you something else. And it was going to come in a big box like this. It contains an invoice talking about what it is. And it contains a Real Appeal blender. Isn't that so exciting? Which actually goes hand in hand with the Real Foods Nutrition Guide. I don't think it's a coincidence that they're both green. You think it's a coincidence? I don't think it is. But yes, this is the blender that I'm going to unbox for you guys. And then the end of this video is going to be me actually demoing it and showing you if it works or not. And I'm actually going to do one of the recipes in the nutrition guide. But yes, I'm assuming this is like a bullet style blender where you kind of make your drink or your shake and then actually take it with you. If you want to know about my Real Appeal journey, I would definitely suggest you watch my first video. I am 35 years old and this is the first time in a long time where I have implemented a program that has kept me on track for this long now. I will admit that I'm filming this video really late. But yes, I've been months into my journey now, and I have not slacked. My weekly sessions have held me accountable. I've learned a wealth of knowledge, and the weight that I lost initially, which I've lost 18 pounds total, I've managed to keep it off even months after the fact. So I'm just so thankful that I was bored at work one day, and I read that random email about it. And signed up because it has completely changed my life. But anyway, let me stop talking about it. If you guys are part of the journey too, I like hearing about them, so leave them in the comments below, please. But anyway, of course, it has an instruction manual, and then I believe this is the blender right here. Which I own a Ninja, but it's not like a bullet style. It's an actual like blender slash food processor, so whatever I make I have to pour it into a container. But this is the actual blender right here. It has the cord, of course, and if you look right here, there's a off and on and a pulse setting, and of course there's a blade on the inside. The cup has measurements, and then I believe, yeah, if you look right here, which I don't know if my camera's going to pick it up, but there's like a lock and unlock mark on the front. And so I'm thinking you blend your drink. Oh, okay. You blend your drink, you unlock it, this comes off, and then you simply unscrew the lid. And then you take your lid, pop it on like this, and you take your concoction with you. So this is pretty handy. Ah, that is so cool. Pretty handy, so neat. I'm oh so thankful and grateful that I stumbled upon this program and that this program exists, but for basically giving me a new outlook on my life, boosting my confidence and making me feel better about myself, and know that I am helping continue and cultivate my life for years to come. So anyway, let me stop being gushy. I'm gonna quickly cut to, it's gonna be probably a different day, so I'm gonna look different, but to me actually demoing the blender with one of the Real Foods Nutrition Guide recipes. Hello! But anyway, we are going to get into me testing this blender out with one of the Real Foods Real Appeal shake recipes. And the one I'm going to do, I'm going to put in the description box below. It's the strawberry banana shake. And yeah, we're gonna see if this one, if this blender works, and two, if this recipe is good for the most part. And so I'm gonna get into the ingredients, but what you'll need is a 1/2 cup of plain soy milk. And please don't kill me, but I am actually not gonna be using soy milk, only because I didn't want to go to the grocery store and buy a whole thing of soy milk that I was just going to use for this recipe. And, you know, I know I can make repeated shakes, but still, I'm not a huge milk drinker. I usually just use it to wet my cereal, and that's it. And I already had this in my fridge, so. 3/4 of a cup of frozen or fresh strawberries, 1/2 banana, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of ice. All right, I'm thinking I need to change this angle. Moment of truth, folks. I'm gonna pulse it. Ooh, that's powerful. I kept it going longer than 30 seconds because I could see the chunks of banana still moving around. So now this looks, no, it looks pretty thick. You see that consistency? But I'm gonna add the ice to it. And okay, I'm gonna add the ice, pulsate it more, or for the 30. Smells delicious. It's lock and loaded. That's 30 seconds. I'm gonna unplug. Just because I'm paranoid about electronics. Stephen King's Maximum Overdrive really traumatized me as a child. Moment of truth, folks. So, unlock it. Flip it over. Got my... So when I made this drink correctly, the calories have been 150, protein's 5 grams, carbohydrates, when I subtract the dietary fibers, 26 grams. So not bad. I can see this as a snack, or this being the thing that goes with my protein for breakfast. Okay, folks. Moment of truth. That is delicious. Well, alright. So, previous pastros that looked more attractive did not film an outro. So, I'm going to film one for you right now. I have to say, this is a very impressive blender. I've already have shared my praise for Real Appeal. I've fully drank the Kool-Aid, and I just think it's so awesome that this was the incentive that they sent us after 8 sessions. It's a legit powerful blender, folks. And then this is so handy, so cool. I'm really excited to drink this, and that's all I have to say. So, again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And again, this is it. Oh, before I get into my outro, I'm going to throw in that I have a 3rd Real Appeal video coming up. a third unboxing, if you will. I've had the item for a few months now, so it won't be like a real legit unboxing, but Real Appeal and my employer threw in a third incentive for joining the program. So me kind of slipping this in to the end of this video makes me want to encourage all you guys to look into the full details of your program, whether it's through your insurance, your spouse's insurance, or your employer, and see if there are any other bonus incentives, because Real Appeal and my employer both offered a third incentive, and that's going to be my third video of this series. But anyway, again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, become part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications, even though I feel like it really doesn't do anything. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you'll see me again hopefully very soon.